Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video we are going to make hand wash. My bucket, my 5 liters of water. We are going to put the yunjero here in the bucket. Then remember to dispose them correctly. Then we are going with this. This is industrial salt or caustic soda. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks in the inside. You mix it properly, and this is how it looks. If you have question, you can ask to make this for you. Let me know also. I can do that for you. This is hand wash. This is not liquid soap. This is with this camera. So guys, let's mix it and then we add water. I hope you are learning, guys. This is how it looks in the inside. After you mix, you add water gradually now. Don't add it like at once. Add gradually and then mix. Like you can add 2 liters and then you mix and then you continue. If you have gloves, kindly wear your gloves. But this hand wash is not reactive compared to other detergents, but then again, be safe. Here we are going to mix it, carefully until it is dissolved. Yes, like this. Just mix it thoroughly until you realize there are no particles bottom of your bucket. You can realize the mixture now zito kabisa. This is how it is looking. Yeah, oh my goodness. It is looking so nice. Yani imekuwa nzito, guys. Koroga while you are adding your furaya tu kuwatch hata hamwezi nipatia likes jamani. Jamani. Don't be mean. So let's add our glycerin. This is glycerin. So the difference between hand wash and the shampoo is that in shampoo we use paralyzer, and in hand wash we use glycerin. You mix gradually while you add the now. I'll go in with this. This is cocoa amide foam boost. So this is our 5 liters and it is looking nice. So it is coming up, guys. You can see it is coming up. Now we've added the color. my goodness. Look at how it is mixed carefully. And then guys, so let's add the ingredient number 4, and it is looking so nice. So number 5 is, let me test this. So this is the perfume. It is bubble. You can't just use it in one day, so you have to add this. This is called germol or preservative, and it helps to kill also the bacteria when the mixture or when the hand wash is staying for long. Because if you're using this at home, and for example you are in the house, you see I'm grateful, so you add this. Is preservative. I hope you guys are learning, because I've made this step by step. Guys, now as you can see here, we have our hand wash, and now the only thing remaining here, we're just going to put it aside and let it cool for some few hours, and then we store it here. This is my storage, don't worry. I know you people will say unatumia mtungi wa mafuta mboga kustore, si ndio? Sasa hiyo ndo niko nayo. Yes, and like that you have your hand wash at the comfort of your home. And if there is anybody out here who wants me to make this and send this to your doorstep, kindly take my number and I'm going to do this for you guys. Is there anybody who wants? The more it is staying, vile ambavyo unaiacha ikae, ndivyo vile ambavyo uzito inaongezeka. Hemu angalia, na nyinyi mnaenda kwa supermarket kununua. And you can make this. Oh my goodness. Woo! I feel like jumping. I feel like jumping, guys, because tell me why at the comfort of my home I can make something like this. Isn't this beautiful and magnificent? Eh? Guys, this is so good, and then it leaves your hand very smooth. So if you have been using liquid soap to wash your hands, kama mimi tu, nilikuwa nafanya hivyo, nilikuwa natumia hiyo liquid soap, but kwa inakausha mikono. Sasa tumesha upgrade. 2026 we are upgrading, guys. Yeah, so this mixture for 5 liters, let me tell you the prices. I'm hand wash 5 liters, I'm selling it at 650. Okay, yeah, at 650 bob you get 5 liters and a free gift. Delivery is countrywide. If anybody of you is interested, you just come, we do business. I'll make this and I'll send it up to your doorstep. Na nzigo tunatuma kote Kenya nzima. So guys, this is the results of my hand wash. I want to let it cool so that this foam can settle, and then we will store it. So stay tuned to watch the final results. I love this so much. So I'm selling this 5 liters is going for 650 bob. Delivery is countrywide. So guys, this is the results of our homemade hand wash. Look at that, the thickness is thickening. If that is an English term, then you can see. So let's open the tap. Look at that, guys. And I'm telling you, it has a lot of foam, and then it leaves my hands very soft. Huh? I don't know if you guys can see it. Since the day I make this at home, I haven't regret, and my hands feel so soft. Let me bring close. Look at my hands. They're so soft. It feels so nice, like washing hands with it. Even after I have dried the hands, I feel so good. Like I don't have to feel, the hands are not feeling dry. Okay, guys, this is the best product you can make at the comfort of your home. Okay, so anybody who is interested, you can try this method of making hand wash at the comfort of your home, or you can let me make it for you and send it to your doorstep. Meanwhile, bye bye. I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.